let's make 2-ingredient truffles. Okay, in a small saucepan we're going to be adding the 200 grams of condensed milk. Okay, and to that 200 grams of condensed milk we're adding 15 grams of cocoa powder. Okay, and we're going to be mixing this on low heat until it becomes thick, really thick, so that can take around 8 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes and this mixture is actually already starting to thicken up a lot. If you can see, it's staying apart. So it is actually at the point where we can put it into the tray. Okay, so I'm just spreading the mixture out and I'm going to be putting it in the fridge. I'll put some glitter wrap over the top, put it in the fridge and let it cool down. Okay, so we let that truffle mixture cool down and now we're ready to roll it into our cocoa powder. So I've greased my hands with a little bit of coconut oil, so it shouldn't stick as much, hopefully, to my hands. So roll it into a ball. And drop it. Continue doing this to all the mixture. Actually pretty fun. We've rolled them all up, rolled them in cocoa powder. Now we're going to put them back in the fridge to set properly.